mi fantasía de mi amor. Tú eres mi fantasía de mi dolor. Fantasy.
Hi friends, today I'll show you 4 low messy buns that you can repeat in less than 2 minutes. So we'll start with our first one. We want to make sure our hair is nice and detangled. Gathering all our hair, you want to make a very low ponytail. Then divide your ponytail into 2 equal sections and make a knot. Now grabbing the ends, you want to bring them up, crisscross them. Grab one of the ends and wrap it around your bun. Tuck it into the elastic. Grab your second end and wrap it around your bun and tuck it into the elastic as well. Pull it a bit your created bun and pin it in place from the sides. For the second one, we want to select an elastic. I prefer to use here a clear elastic and I like to double them. Then you want to make sure our hair is nice and detangled. Gathering all our hair like into a low ponytail, you want to twist your ends like I'm showing, bring it up, and then grabbing the ends, you want to bring through the loop, creating a knot. Then you want to tighten your created knot. Grabbing the ends, you want to wrap it around your created bun, and here you want to use your clear elastic. Pull a little bit your bun if needed and pin it from the sides. Loosen a bit your crown section. Pin in place your created bun and our bun is ready. Next, gathering our hair, you want to make a low ponytail. Now you want to spread your hair all around your elastic like I'm showing, and grabbing another elastic, I'll use a clear one. You want to bring it over our created construction to create a bun like this. Then grabbing your ends, you want to bring it up and tie it with a clear elastic. Now you want to make an opening through your ends. Bring your mini ponytail through this opening, creating a topsy tail, and twist it and bring your loop over your created bun like that. Then you want to grab the ends and tuck it into the elastic. Next, gathering again our hair, creating a low ponytail. And last time, pull your hair halfway through, but bring your fingers through the elastic like I'm showing, and then you want to wrap your ends around your created bun and tuck it into the elastic the ends like that. Loosen a little bit your created bun and pin it from the sides like I'm showing using grips and bobby pins. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's low messy buns. If you do, don't forget about like, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel for more. But that's it for today, and I love you so much, and see you soon in my next video. Bye.